Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the compressor start device in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4" nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor start device. The compressor start device is located at the rear of the refrigerator, mounted on the side of the compressor. It assists in starting and running the compressor. It also protects the compressor from overheating. If both compartments of your refrigerator stop cooling, but the lights are still on, and you hear clicking sounds coming from behind the fridge every few minutes, it's time to check and replace the compressor start device. Now we're at the back of the refrigerator, and to get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. It's held in place with a bunch of 1/4" screws, and I'm going to use the 1/4" nut driver, and I'm going to take them out. Alright, I'm going to tilt it a little bit backwards, and I'm going to slide the power cord out. Now I'm going to pull out the access panel. Then using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to remove this plug from the water valve. Now I'm going to lift up and place the panel out of the way. Alright, now we can see the compressor itself, and this is the start device that's mounted on the side of the compressor. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to remove it from the compressor. Be careful, do not break the terminals. So we need to be patient and slow. Pry it off evenly, top and bottom, not just one spot. All right, I'm going to pull it out as far as it can go so we can disconnect everything. And I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Going to open this tab and pry this plug out. And now we'll have this compressor start device and this run capacitor. So we're going to, again, using the flat blade screwdriver, going to pry this off because we are going to reuse the capacitor. It plugs in into this start device. This is the old compressor start device next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. If you notice, they look a little different, but trust me, it will work perfect. So we have here a new compressor start device, and there is a old run capacitor that we moved off the old start device. So we're going to plug it in into the new start device, and this plastic pin goes into this opening. At the same time, it's going to lock in. Press it in all the way. Next, I'm going to plug this. All right, so it goes in only one way. Clicks, that means it's locked. Next, we're going to mount this. We have 3 holes here, and we have 3 pins there on the compressor. So we're going to mount this onto the pins. I'm going to match the holes and place the compressor start device onto the compressor. Now we can bring in the rear access panel, and we're going to install the harness to the water inlet valve and the power cord. And now I'm going to connect this water inlet valve plug. Right now I'm going to install this power cord into this slot. There's a cutouts here on the sides, and I'm going to just slide it into this metal cutout. Push it down. Next we're going to install the access panel onto the chassis and bring it up. Align the holes. And now we're going to secure this panel with the 1/4" screws. All right. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.